Uh-oh, everyone. Got my tool belt on today. You know what that means? Gun spinning tricks. Hey everybody, welcome back to SaintAndrewTV. My name is Andrew. And before we begin, why you clicked on this video of the forward spin, I'd like to say thank you real quick because my subscriber count has damn near tripled since we've switched up the style in which these videos are shot. So thank you very much. And this one in particular is for Landon in the comments asking what was the gold decal on my Colt Single Action Army. This is it. It's Buffalo Bill's Wild West show. So that one's for you, Landon. You wanted to know what it was, so there's a close-up of it. So let's get into gun spinning tricks. This one is the forward spin. This one is where the barrel goes away from your torso and back up into your hand. So you guys know him, you love him. Here is Guinea Pig Andrew. Hey everybody, Guinea Pig Andrew. I'm sure the other guy, Puppet Master Andrew, told you what's going on. So first thing we do, ready? First thing we do, answer with me. Check if your gun is empty. Ain't nobody getting hurt on my watch. Forward spin, that's what he said, right? Forward spin. This one, you know how I said in our last video that you use the weight of the gun to do the backward spin? Well, this one's almost 100% use the weight of the gun. Let's do a slow-mo. This one's a little more difficult because you're working against your own body. Right here, I usually just try to open my hands and let the barrel of the gun take a nosedive and kind of just let momentum take it from there on out. I almost claw grip the trigger guard as well to kind of give myself more momentum to get it back up into my hand. Just like that. This one's even a little bit tougher for me. So this one might take a little more practice, but it doesn't mean you can't get it. If I can get it, you can get it. Trust me. So how I usually practice to get better at it is I'll just open my hand and let it fall. And you can kind of get the momentum as you go. So just open your hand, let it roll up. Open your hand, let it roll. Sort of like that. Like I said, this one's a little more difficult for me, so open your hand, let it roll forward, back into your hand. Open your hand, let it roll, back into your hand. And you can do it like that. Then you can get, when you're better at it, you can speed it up. Just like that. Hey, you are back. I hope he wasn't too hard. I hope he wasn't too annoying for everyone. That was the forward spin. Comment down below if there's any other spins you would like me to try or show you how to do. I've said it before, I'll say it again, I'm new to the gun spinning game, but I'm here to learn and I'm here to teach. So, like I said, if there's anything you'd like to see next, not even gun spinning, if there's anything that you would like to see in a video in the future, comment down below. I've gotten some recent suggestions and I'm currently in the works of producing them. Like the video if you like it, share it with your friends if you, me, and them share some interest between one another, and think about subscribing. You're a daisy if you do.